As the election season is on for Maharashtra in the final leg, Mallikarjun Kharge has hit out at Home Minister Amit Shah over Article 370. Mallikarjun Kharge says the Bharatiya Janata Party just wants to keep the issue of Article 370 alive for political gains. And this was after Amit Shah had said even Indira Gandhi cannot bring back Article 370 after Prime Minister Modi also, remember, had mentioned this yesterday in Maharashtra. Kharge says they just want to divide society and want to keep this issue alive. If the polls in Jammu and Kashmir are already over, why are you raking up Article 370 in Maharashtra? Kharge asks.
अमित शाह बोलते हैं, कांग्रेस हमेशा झूठ बोलती है। कांग्रेस 370 को पुनः लाना चाहती। कौन बोले भाई, कब बोले? ऐसी चीजें आप बोलते हो जो अब ऑलरेडी पार्लियामेंट में पास हुआ है, हो गया है, फिर उसको दोबारा क्यों छेड़ रहे आप? इसका मतलब यू वांट टू कीप इट अलाइव सच इश्यूज टू डिवाइड द पीपल। जाके बोलो ना वहां जम्मू कश्मीर में, वहां तो इलेक्शन हो गया।
Let me now bring in my colleague Vidya for the latest on this morning. Vidya, good morning. So Article 370 has found a mention by the BJP. Why is the Congress not happy about it, and why do they think it's a waste? What are you picking up on this strategy, and how's the last leg of campaigning looking like?
Of course, there are a lot of personal remarks and narratives being put out, which actually do not really find much, support in a lot of public as well. But then, of course, what the Congress here is right now saying is that, they have never spoken about repealing or removing the Article 370. And but why is the BJP, saying that, making an allegation that when the Maha Vikas Aghadi comes to power, they'll make sure that the 370 is repealed. Well, the Congress or any other party has never spoken about it. It's almost the same thing that we really see, a narrative being built up across against parties, which really seem to be unfounded because no one really spoken about it. It's the same what the BJP also alleges. Remember about, 400 Par. Remember when they made that slogan about crossing 400 Par during the Lok Sabha election. There was a narrative that was built up which said very clearly that they need 400 because of the sheer fact that they want to, change the constitution, which was not something that the BJP had ever said or spoken about.
Correct.
So these were actually narratives from either side that we have been seeing almost every election, that there are narratives built up which probably are actually seem quite unfounded, but push an allegation or a political strategy much more as here we have seen Kharge
So
very
basically,
clearly.
yes, all sorts of mentions being made here. Vidya, I'll come back to you in just a short while. Let's listen into what had Home Minister Amit Shah said over Article 370.
ये राहुल गांधी की पार्टी धारा 370 को वापिस लाना चाहती है। धनबाद वालों, धारा 370 वापिस लानी चाहिए क्या? जोर से बोलो, लानी चाहिए। ये कश्मीर जो है हमारा है या नहीं है? भाइयों बहनों, मैं आज धनबाद में राहुल बाबा को कहकर जाता हूं, राहुल बाबा, आप तो क्या, आपकी चौथी पीढ़ी भी धारा 370 वापिस नहीं लाएगा। ये कश्मीर जो है वो भारत का अभिन्न अंग है। इसको हमसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता, कोई नहीं छीन